kit review is of the Detomaso Pantera GTS, and it is a 1/24 scale model by Testors. It's an Italian supercar. Actually had an American engine in there. There's the dimensions and some details about the car. Another picture over there. Actually, we have some more pictures over here. This one has a nice scoop in the front. Well, let's have a look inside. These older Tester model kits are hard to find. Let's have a look. We'll start off with the body. That's the classic Pantera body. The front fenders are molded in. Reasonable level of detail and fairly well molded. It's a little scratched up, but it's easy to clean up. We do have some little mold lines, but otherwise nicely molded. Here is our chassis. Looks like that's cracked. Very simple looking. Looks like this is made to have a battery with a motor in it, but I guess the models, they ended up taking this out, but that's a very dismal looking transmission. No real detail there. That might be for the battery component or compartment. Here we have, there's our central console with the gated shifter, and this might be part of the wing, part of the instrument panel. Here are the insides of our doors. We have 4 tires, and these are rubber. And got some nice detail on the outside. These are slicks. These are the front and large for the back. Here's our one axle. Here's our glass. We do have some scratches in it, and they need to get sanded and polished out. Here are the side windows, rear, and lights. We do have our wheels. Those are some nice wheels, very wide. This is the cover for the battery, which we won't end up needing. Here is the pedal box and rear view mirror. There's our handbrake, steering wheel. These are the hubs for the front wheels. And our side mirrors, dashboard, instrument panel. Here we have our seats and exhaust tips, stick shift, and this is our steering column. So we'll have a look at the instructions here. Here's the parts listing. I don't see the rivets. I'll take a look to see what we're going to do in place of that. So the wheels are supposed to go on there at the front, and that's then mounted on the front for the axle. Not a lot of detail there. And the rear is put in. You build the cockpit. That's then mounted on the chassis. Next we put the body parts, the glass in. And then the tail, mount the body on the chassis. There's the painting and decal guide. And unfortunately, unfortunately, it looks like this one does not have decals. So, all in all, very simple, sort of ordinary kit. Molding level's okay.